Hey everybody, it's TheDollBoy, and today I have this Pocahontas lookbook for you, in which I show 4 different looks you can create on your Pocahontas doll. This particular doll is a rerouted Disney Store Pocahontas that I put on an orange top made to move body. The first look is Pocahontas' original look in her signature dress. As you can see, I also painted the arm tattoo she has in the movie using acrylic paint. To match the dress, I make sure her hair is nice and sleek. For this second look, I used a vintage Pocahontas dress I got secondhand. Since it didn't fit Pocahontas that well, I decided to turn it into a two-piece, inspired by Pocahontas' best friend Nakoma. To change the hair up just a little bit, I take one side of the hair, twist it, and tie it off with a rubber band. My third look is this more casual look, with these shorts from AliExpress and this fringe top I made myself. For this look, I decided to give Pocahontas a simple braid, just like the time Miko braided her hair in the movie. This final look has these fringed pants and white top that I made myself. These pants were really inspired by my friend Hexchen when he created his Applejack custom doll. For this look, I take out the braid and loosely curl all of Pocahontas' hair. Since I didn't want these curls to be permanent, I just let them in overnight without dipping them in boiling water. This will give you these really nice loose curls. I really hope you like this lookbook. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and comment down below which look was your favorite. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to my channel and let me know in the comment section who you want to see next. If you want to see more doll looks I create, make sure to follow me on Instagram @TheDollBoy. See you next time!